Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Soulful Summit, the place where we dive deep into introspective and inspirational topics to help us navigate this crazy journey called life. I'm Grace, your guide on this soulful adventure, and I am so grateful to have you here with me today. Now, today's topic is one that has truly transformed my perspective on vulnerability and courage. We're going to be talking about the book Daring Greatly by Brené Brown. If you haven't heard of Brené Brown, she is a renowned researcher and storyteller who specializes in topics like vulnerability, shame, and resilience. Her work has touched the lives of millions, including mine. Daring Greatly is all about embracing vulnerability and stepping into the arena of life with courage. Brown challenges the notion that vulnerability is a weakness and instead presents it as the birthplace of innovation, creativity, and connection. She encourages us to let go of the armor we wear to protect ourselves and to embrace our imperfections, because it is through vulnerability that we can truly live wholeheartedly. One of the key points that really resonated with me is the idea that vulnerability is not about winning or losing, but about showing up and being seen. It's about having the courage to be imperfect, to let go of who we think we should be, and to embrace who we truly are. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we open ourselves up to deeper connections with others and with ourselves. Another powerful concept in Daring Greatly is the importance of cultivating a sense of worthiness. Brown reminds us that we are inherently worthy of love and belonging, regardless of our achievements or external validation. This was a game changer for me, as I realized that my worthiness is not dependent on what I do or how others perceive me. It's about embracing my authentic self and knowing that I am enough. The book also delves into the topic of shame, which is something that many of us struggle with. Brown explores how shame can hold us back from fully embracing vulnerability and living wholeheartedly. She provides practical strategies for recognizing and challenging shame and offers guidance on how to cultivate self-compassion and resilience. Now, how does all of this intersect with the ideas we explore here on Soulful Summit? Well, my friends, at the core of our journey towards self-discovery and personal growth is the willingness to be vulnerable. It is through vulnerability that we can truly connect with ourselves and others, and it is through vulnerability that we can find the courage to step into our greatness. So, my challenge to you today is to dare greatly. Embrace vulnerability, let go of the fear of judgment, and step into the arena of life with courage. Know that you are worthy of love and belonging just as you are. And remember, it's not about the outcome, but about showing up and being seen. If you've enjoyed this video and found value in the insights shared, I would be so grateful if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Soulful Summit channel. By doing so, you'll be joining our community of like-minded souls who are on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Thank you so much for joining me today, my beautiful souls. Remember, you are worthy, you are loved, and you are capable of daring greatly. Until next time, keep shining your light and embracing your vulnerability. Take care, and I'll see you soon.